Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how can you create a pie chart using some of the data in Excel. So let's get right into it. I have some data. The data which I have taken is for the publications, right? So they show the publication by regions. For example, you collect some of the literature data and you collect 70 papers. Within those 70 papers, for example, Chinese authors contributed 56%, 15%, 8%, 6%, 6%, and some other countries also contributed to the same field of research. So let me show you how can you create the pie chart so that you can see exactly in the pie chart, right, how the authors, how the countries have been contributed to the field of research. So what I can do, I will choose the data. From that you want to create the pie chart. You need to go to the insert. What you can do, you can directly come to the insert pie chart. If you drop it down, you will see we are having the 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart, and some do not type. But this time I will use the 2D pie chart. You can also do the same thing by just come to the recommended flowcharts, and you will see here the same pie chart has been pop up over here because it's a recommendation. I can use it. I will click on this and I will click OK. Now this is simple pie chart. There is no data availability on this chart. Now I need to create the data so that I can see. As you can see over here, this is the default pie chart Excel is given to me. Now what I can do, I will just click over here. I can say publications by years or publications by regions. Now this is my title. Next, what I can do, as you can see the plus icon over here, if you want to see the same percentage on these slices, you need to do the data label. What you can do, I want to see, and normally I do it like I just want to keep the data outside, because if you just want to print it out black and white, you will not exactly see how many percentages exactly each slice represents. What I need to do, just drop it down. I want to see outside. This is how you need to represent the data. If you see to the more options, there are lots of options you can make use of it, right? So then you see label position as outside, which what exactly I want to be. See, if I choose this one, and now what you can see, this is simply you have just created the pie chart. So now each of the data represent you can also add the data collet. If you see over here, you can just drag a specific portion like this, and like this. Alright, next what you can do, if you want to just separate a separate slice, you can just drag it upward like this. If you want, you can just drag this slice a bit outside of it. So this is how you can just play around with the pie charts. If you click over here, you can just click on the chart design. You can choose the different colors combinations, whatever you want to be. You can choose this combination, you can choose this combination, choose this. You can have just lots of color combinations. You can make use of them. So this is how you can just create a simple pie chart. Hope this video helped you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.